Iskov. Good boy. Good boy.
But the first titanium plate they put in her leg, she actually bent it, so then she had to go back and get another surgery for a new titanium plate. So she has
Daisy.
allergies really bad, so we might notice her scratching.
Daisy's 12.
But
Now watch the leg for the titanium.
she's getting close.
I only paid like 120 for him.
Okay, okay. Yeah, because color's a big thing.
Yeah.
Obviously.
I know, I think that's next.
No. And I usually feed him frozen mice, which to me that's just easier being down here because I can just go get in the freezer and take one out and not have to mess with raising live mice. So there's like 4 or 5 different classifications of mice. There's like pinkies.
Artemis. Good girl.
You're a friendly one, aren't you? What all these smell?
Animals.
Different dogs.
Say, well, I came from a vet clinic, so everything's
Oh, the smells.
I'll say I know I got lots of doggies on me. Yes, I do. Yeah, I know I do.
Oh, that's right.
So.
Take it away.
Okay, can you shake? Can you shake with the other one? Shake with the other one. Can you lay down? Lay down. Sometimes she's a little bit of a diva,
Well, yeah.
so she doesn't lay down on hard floors. But she does stay. Can you stay? Stay. Can you stay? Stay. Oh, okay, come on. That was hard. She hasn't really had a lot of health issues. She is allergic to grain, so she's on like a grain-free food. I don't know what brand they feed her, but she is on grain-free diet. When they first got her, they had the
You're very after my grandpa because the cow had a limp and my grandpa walked with a limp.
I'm glad she didn't say the calf looked like her grandpa.
So, May 29th, we gave it LA 200 and it was given 9 milligrams per kilogram and an muscular about every 3 days. And that's an answer.
Wondering how is that just like not a problem? Like,
Are you talking about he's out on pasture and stuff like that?
yeah, he's like outside, like opposite of the sterile.
Mm-hmm.